Hello guys, welcome to the market trading channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to set take profit and stop loss for a futures trading on MEXC exchange. And before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button, and don't just subscribe alone, also put on the notification as you can see, so as to get notified when a new content is uploaded. Don't forget to smash the like button. So let's get started. So to set the take profit and stop loss for a futures trade, you can do that. There are two ways. If you are just starting or trying to place a new trade, let me do it for you. I will show you an example. Let's assume I already found a $10. I transfer $10 from my spot to my futures to able to show you for this video. So like I said, there are two ways. You can do it at the point of uh, placing the trade, and the second option is doing it after placing the trade while the trade is being running. So I'm going to try the two options for you. So the first option is doing it before you place a trade. So let's assume I want to buy Bitcoin at the current market price. Let's assume I want to long Bitcoin at the current market price. So all I need to do is put my anywhere. Let's assume I'm using market price, and then you can see at the below the you can see TP or SL. If I click on it, you can see the take profit and stop loss price pop out. So I can choose. Let's assume I'm putting the stop loss to be 104,000, and my take profit I can set it to be probably maybe let's say 108,000. So because the market price is 105, so I can either long or short because of the stop loss I'm setting, which means I'm longing the coin. So you can see order submitted. You can see the trade running currently. So that is an example. You can see, if you look at it, you can see TP and SL 108 and 104. So that's one option. Another option is, let's assume now I have my trade already running right now, and I didn't set my take profit and stop loss at the time. So let me remove this take profit and stop loss that I set here so that I can show you how to set it. Or let me just open a trade without closing, without opening anything, so that I can show you a perfect example. So I open a new trade. Let me open a new trade. Let me have a trade running. Let me just open it. So now I have a trade running. And after my trade is being running, I want to set the take profit and stop loss. So all I need to do, you can see the TP/SL here. The TP means take profit, while the SL means stop loss. You can click it. You see this pop up out here. So depending whether you are longing the position or you are shorting it. So currently I'm on a long position. The current market price was 105, which is where I put in my entry. So that means I can decide to put my take profit since I'm longing maybe at 110,000, depending on whatever you think your take profit is, and you can decide to put, and I can decide to put my stop loss maybe at 104,000. So depending on whatever you want to put your take stop losses. So you can see my take profit and stop loss is already set. Then I can put in confirm, and if you look at it, you will see TP/SL 110 and 104,000. That's a typical example of how to set take profit and stop loss on MEXC exchange. This is a very easy and direct approach for futures trading. You can set it before and you can also set it after. Either you can choose to set it before placing the trade, or you can set it after placing the trade. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate your stop loss and take profit on MEXC exchange, depending on wherever you are entering your position. So stay tuned, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.